So do we got everybody? Like everybody's outside?
If you do it once, you have to bang like you say, they'll turn.
Oh, okay, okay. All right, I've been looking forward to this demonstration for a long time. I'd like to thank Bob Cardona from Smart Hose for coming up and doing this for us. We've been talking a lot on the phone, and we're pretty excited about this. We're going to do 2 demonstrations for you today that simulate what can happen during a transfer operation. And
Can't hear at the back.
can you guys hear me in the back?
Stand up! Stand up!
You want me to stand up?
Stand up!
For now. Just have them come up for now.
You guys can come close for now. So we're going to simulate 2 different scenarios that could happen during a transfer operation, your bulkheads, when you're loading your trucks. One of those is if your hose is weakened and you have a coupling ejection, and then the second one is if you were to have a pull away. What we've done here to try to simulate this is we've got liquefied CO2 that we're going to charge into our hose that signifies our storage facility. We've basically got our own little bulkhead here. It's a little smaller than would be on your guys' plan. So we're going to charge this hose with about 200 psi of CO2. On the other end here, we have a pressure gauge on the upstream side of our globe valve, and in between is our smart hose. What will happen once we do our pull away, you will see on either side of the gauges where we will release the gas out of the hose, and you'll still see a held pressure on both sides of the pressure gauge. And I'll let you kind of talk about how we're going forward here. Bob, you want to take over?
Have you all had a chance to visit the Smart Hose booth yet? Everybody knows how the Smart Hose works? No questions? I can go right to the demo then? Come on, you got to have some questions.
I've been waiting for this.
Okay. I'm going to just in case there's some shy people back there who haven't asked, okay, the Smart Hose is designed to automatically shut off the flow, completely passively, okay, in both directions in the event of an emergency, such as an end fitting blow off, or the hose has been pulled away, or the hose has been severed or burned through, okay. What happens is that each end fitting has a check valve in it, okay, and the check valves would normally prevent flow of material through the hose. So we've added a cable, and the cable runs from one check valve to the other check valve, and it's pushing out on those check valves, holding them open against the flow of fluid, okay? So now fluid can go through the hose normally, okay? In the event of a coupling ejection, the coupling releases from the hose, the cable now goes into slack. Okay, and with no force holding those valves open, the valves close automatically just from the flow of fluid through the hose or through the end fittings. Okay, it's a completely passive device, so there's no operator influence on making it close. And in fact, it happens so fast, it's basically shut off before you guys have a chance to flinch. Okay, and we're going to demonstrate that right now. Okay, now this hose here, I jimmied. Okay. Normally they hold 350 psi. They're rated to 5 times working pressure before they burst. Okay, so if I were to use a normal hose here, we'd be waiting, a few hundred years before coupling ejected. So what I've done is I've jimmied the hose. I've got a light crimp on it, and I've removed some of the teeth on the ferrule, so that the hose will release at this end, closest to the trailer, to the forklift, and with minimum pressure. Okay, around 100 psi, I hope. Okay. Now, yesterday we did a run-up on this, and it didn't let go at 300 psi. So if that happens, don't be alarmed. I'm just going to go ahead and nudge it a little bit with the forklift to get it to go ahead and release. Okay, but I hope it'll release just under pressure. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to open the valve at the other end. It's going to allow nitrogen in through the hose. It'll build up pressure, and it should eject. Okay. Everybody got that? Okay.
Now, we will warn you, obviously it doesn't need to be said. This is extreme. This is very loud. It's very sudden. So just plug your ears. Don't try this at home.
Yes, don't try this at home. Now, look. Always apply the emergency brake. But to tell you the truth, that's how driveaways happen. Okay? People walk away and they forget to put the brakes on, or they drive away thinking that, hey, I haven't, I'm done. I'm getting out of here. Okay? So now if you look here, you still have 300 psi at this end. Okay? There's a volume of air contained in this piece of piping, and it's holding this valve closed. Okay? This valve is closed, there's no air leak. You can come up now.
You can come up and see.
Okay?
Everybody to kind of step back to
But it's not enough to cause a fire. Well, the only amount of gas that was released was what was in the hose.
Closed.
everything on either side.
So that's all they're holding it closed.
Well, whatever. But yeah.